YouTube, you asked for it. I just have to do it because I made the how to make a self-cut system for under $20. That did pretty good, and you guys asked for it with the LED lights, so I'm giving it to you. So there's a few things you're gonna need for this video. You're gonna need a LED light strip, one like this one. It may or may not come with one of these, so you might have to buy one of these separate. It's this is an adapter. So when I bought mine, I thought it came with this, but that explained the price. But after I bought this one and I went on eBay and buy this, it worked out to be cheaper. And this also comes with this in case you need to clip it and you need an extra one. It comes with an extra one and some connectors. I'm just gonna do it like the self-cut system that they sell online. The light is just on the top parts right here. One more thing you're gonna need to do this, you're gonna need a device of your choice so you can watch me teach you how to do this. All right, let's get started for real now. So all you have to do is, you can measure it first if you want, like this, and then cut it. After you measure it and you got the correct measurement, you want to cut it at the designated area where the little scissor strip is. And after you cut that, just peel off the adhesive side. Now you just stick it on, and when you're putting this on, make sure that there's no gap underneath and everything is flush. And when I'm done right here, I just had a little bit of leftover and I just bend it to the back. So it's like out of sight, you know, out of mind. And I just fold it to make sure that everything is smooth. Now I can give myself a proper cut, and you know I need it.